On February 21st, 2019, Craig Miller spoke about his family-owned business called Pictographs. This event happened in BEH 122 at 5:30 p.m. The most important part of this presentation was his positioning on 3D printing. Craig Miller has a 3D printing machine called the Massivit 1800. Craig Miller saw an opportunity within the 3D printing market. He then positioned himself by being the market leader in 3D printing. Just like what we discussed in class, he discovered a target market through a problem-seeking solution approach. He took this Massivit 1800 machine and brought it to trade shows where he was able to showcase his technology and gain many loyal customers. This then generated revenue for his business. He now creates many 3D models for multiple shops along the strip. Craig Miller understands what his product can do and saw another positioning approach by changing his 3D printing technique. He explained to the class that his main target market was consumers that wanted 3D advertising models and wallpaper landscapes. However, now that he understands his target market, he discovered the need of changing his 3D printing technique. He will do this by changing his products to be metal-based instead of plastic-based. By doing this, he is following another technique that we learned about in our class called the solution-seeking approach. With this approach, Mr. Miller will focus more on manufacturing processes of mass-producing products such as motorcycle handlebars instead of one-end products such as a 3D advertising model. A well-meaning entrepreneur might fail to apply different positioning concepts because entrepreneurs may be too focused on what their product can do instead of discovering a target market's need, thus closing the door on possible opportunities. Craig Miller had his technology and positioned himself by going to trade shows to showcase his technology. By positioning himself this way, he was able to understand the need for 3D printing and later discovered another target market by adjusting his product's technology that will allow Pictographs to grow as a company.